Let's now talk a little about the evolution of customer engagement and how we come to be in the outcome generation. Whenever a company buys technology, there are 3 steps that they will have gone through. The first, someone senior in the organisation decides that results in some part of the business aren't good enough and that those results need to improve. Second, they'll look at roadblocks or problems that would stop them from achieving that higher level of performance, those business results. And thirdly, they'll come up with a high-level approach and from that a set of requirements. They're now ready to talk to vendors. Over the years, vendors have responded in a number of different ways. Going back to the 70s, when software packages first appeared, we saw Generation 1 appear. Generation 1 vendors showed how their product met the requirements the customer had specified. That approach lasted until the late 80s or early 90s, when we saw Generation 2 appear. Generation 2 vendors went one step back up that cycle and looked at the problems the customers were facing. They then showed how their software addressed those problems. So the approach was, we solve your current problems. That approach has dominated for over 30 years in the technology space, until the last couple of years, where we've seen the 3rd generation of vendors appear. The 3rd generation of vendors have gone back to the source, back to the results the customer is trying to achieve. Their approach is to help the customer achieve the future results the customer wants.